Phrases you can use at the grocery store. Where can I find a basket? Where can I find a basket? I'm looking for gluten-free items. Can you point me in the right direction? I'm looking for gluten-free items. Can you point me in the right direction? Can you recommend a good brand of organic milk? Can you recommend a good brand of organic milk? Are these tomatoes ripe? Are these tomatoes ripe? How much are the avocados per piece? How much are the avocados per piece? Do you have any local or seasonal fruits available? Do you have any local or seasonal fruits available? I'd like a pound of ground beef, please. I'd like a pound of ground beef, please. Do you have any fresh chicken breasts? Do you have any fresh chicken breasts? Can you help me choose a good cut of steak for grilling? Can you help me choose a good cut of steak for grilling? Where can I find lactose-free yogurt? Where can I find lactose-free yogurt? What's the expiration date on this cheese? What's the expiration date on this cheese? Are there any fresh croissants available? Are there any fresh croissants available? Could you recommend a cake for a birthday celebration? Could you recommend a cake for a birthday celebration? Do you have any vegetarian frozen dinners? Do you have any vegetarian frozen dinners? Can I get a bag of ice? Can I get a bag of ice? Where's the frozen fruit section? Where's the frozen fruit section? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Could you double bag these items, please? Could you double bag these items, please? Is there a loyalty card or rewards program I can join? Is there a loyalty card or rewards program I can join? What's the store's policy on returns? What's the store's policy on returns? Do you have a restroom in the store? Do you have a restroom in the store? What are the store's hours of operation? What are the store's hours of operation? Are reusable shopping bags available for purchase? Are reusable shopping bags available for purchase? Can you provide me with a receipt, please? Can you provide me with a receipt, please? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.